I have done this test about 10 times just to confirm I get from 2 to 4 seconds difference. There is no files on the camera. I am going to just simply reset my battery and camera. This has nothing to do with the test. It just allows me to restart fresh, hitting the shutter for the first time, rather than having this go on to the quick start that immediately starts recording. And that is exactly how this camera is to work after the first time pressing the button. So what I am going to be doing is holding up a timer. I'm going to hit the start when I hear the beep. You're going to see the screen lock. You're going to start to see the LED and the bullet start to record. And here we go. Hopefully you can see the time in the window for the GoPro as well as the Action 3. At 4 seconds, that's exactly when I seen the 0 to the 1. So from 2 to 4 seconds, you're going to see the time difference. Let's stop it from powering down. And let's look back at the playback window and stop it by swiping down. And we could see if we could scroll through this, which we can't. We can only play it and hold our finger on the actual unit. So if I swipe down, it goes back to the beginning. This video started at 4 seconds, the start of the record. You have just missed about 2 seconds of video that could have been important. But now the next time when I shut the camera off by a press, the camera will shut off. And now when I want to go take my picture, this is going to be the difficult part of showing you the time and the start. Now when I hit the start, you heard the beep, and I tried my best to get both of them to work 100%. As I pull down the video, you can see it started exactly when I hit it. 1 second is not bad at all because either I hit it too fast, on time, or too slow. So this was probably accurate enough for me. You'll decide if this test is something that you're interested in hearing what DJI has to say at the post and comments.